Good morning, everyone. I'm happy to meet you all in another topic memory hierarchy. So, what do you mean by memory? We all humans have brain as our memory storage place, right? The same. So, what does our brain does? It collects data from various sources and it stores it in a place. And when do we retrieve it? When we have a need in the future, we retrieve that. So the place where we store some useful information is called memory, right? The same way our computer also has got memory. So today in this digital world, every computer is working on the principle of stored program concept. So what happens here is the program and the data are put in a place. The place where the program and data are put together is called the memory. So here we have different sizes: 1 bit, 1 nibble, 1 byte, 1 kilobyte. When you go get a pen drive, how do you ask? I need 4 GB pen drive, 16 GB pen drive, 32 GB pen drive. What does that GB mean? It is the storage capacity of that particular device. When you get a hard disk, what do you ask? I need 1 terabit hard disk, right? So it is the storage capacity of that. When you get a computer, you specify your storage capacity and you ask. So this memory plays a vital role in your digital components. Okay, so we'll see the hierarchy. So here we have different levels. One is a primary storage memory, secondary storage memory, and internal storage memory. The main thing, how this memory is being categorized, is depending upon three things. One is the speed, next is the capacity, and next is the cost. So these three things play the vital role in the hierarchy of the memory or in the size of the memory. Okay, so whenever the cost increases, there is a decrease in the access time, as well as there is an increase in the capacity. Okay, so the secondary storage, you can use your USBs, your flash drives, your hard disk, your magnetic disk, or your secondary storage devices, that whatever you use externally other than the inbuilt memory. Your primary is your main memory, which is your RAM, that is random access memory. Next is your internal memory that has registers and cache memory. Cache memory is your temporary stored memory, is your cache memory. Okay, so now we'll see how or what are the types of memory. So when you take about the human brain, we have sensory memory, short term memory, long term memories, we have explicit memory, implicit memory, and we have so many things as such. But when you look into the computer, you have only two things. One is a primary memory, another is a secondary memory. Your primary memory is your read random access memory, read only memory, and uh, erasable programmable memory, or your static RAM and your dynamic RAM falls under primary memory. When you consider the secondary memory, it is your floppy disk, magnetic disk, your USBs, your SSDs, your memory cards, everything fall into the secondary memory. Okay, so friends, now we have, I hope you would have understood about what is primary memory and what is secondary memory and how it is being categorized. It is being categorized on speed, capacity, and cost. Okay, so with this I would like to end my talk here. Thank you.